Stop scrolling right now and listen to me. You are killing your future and your potential with every single second of procrastination you allow. Every moment you hesitate is a step backward while your competitors move ahead. You are trapped in a cycle that leads absolutely nowhere significant today. The minutes are slipping away like sand through your fingers. You feel busy, but you are not being productive, just distracted by digital noise. Your brain is under siege, addicted to instant dopamine hits that provide no real value. It is time to reclaim your focus and your life. I am challenging you to a 7-day mindset reset. This is not a suggestion, it is a transformation. Are you brave enough to take it? No more excuses, no more lies to yourself. The journey from procrastination to iron discipline starts right here, right now, in this very moment. Procrastination is a biological trap. Your brain prefers the safety of the comfort zone over the pain of growth. Choosing cheap pleasure over long-term success. To win, you must understand the science. We are going to rewire your neural pathways to seek satisfaction from achievement rather than just mindless distraction. Day 1 is about clearing the battlefield. You cannot have a focused mind in a chaotic environment. Clean your space to clear your thoughts today. Remove every single distraction. If it does not serve your goal, it does not belong on your desk. Silence the noise to hear your ambition. Day 2 introduces the rule of 3. Write down only the 3 most critical tasks. Forget the long list that only serve to overwhelm you. Discipline is doing what you hate as if you love it. Complete these 3 tasks before you even think about sleeping. No compromise is allowed. Day 3 is when the resistance hits hardest. Your old self will scream for comfort. This is where most people quit, but you are different. Use the 5-second rule. When you feel the urge to hesitate, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and launch into action immediately. Action is the only cure for fear and laziness. Do not give your brain the time to talk you out of greatness. Just move now. Days 4 and 5 are for deep work. This is where the real value is created. Focus is the new currency in our distracted modern world. Work for 50 minutes with absolute intensity, then rest for 10. No multitasking. One goal, one mind, one direction until the mission is fully complete. Your mind will try to trick you into thinking you have done enough. Ignore that voice. You are just getting warmed up for the breakthrough. Stay in the zone. Every hour of deep work puts you months ahead of those who only work on the surface. Push through the mental fog. Consistency over perfection. It does not matter if it is hard. It only matters that it gets done. You are building a new mental engine. You have survived the hardest part of the week. Now it is time to solidify these gains and turn these actions into your permanent character. Day 6 is for reflection and calibration. Look back at your wins and your stumbles. Adjust your strategy to make your new discipline even stronger. Self-awareness is the key to mastery. Understand what worked and why. You are no longer drifting. You are now the captain of your own soul. Day 7. Congratulations, you have arrived. This is no longer just a challenge. This is your new identity. You are a person of iron discipline. You do not try to be disciplined anymore. You simply are. The old version of you is dead, replaced by someone who takes massive action daily. Look at the progress you made in just 1 week. Imagine what you can achieve in a year if you maintain this level of absolute focus. Success is not a destination, it is a habit. You have the tools, the mindset, and the momentum. Do not ever let it slip away again. This challenge is only for the top 1% who actually care about their lives. Most will listen, but only the winners will actually act. If you are ready to claim your future, type "I commit" in the comments right now. Make your vow public and hold yourself truly accountable. Start this very second. Do not let tomorrow steal your future one more time. Your new life begins the moment you decide to take control.